Did you know? Your voice is a holographic representation of your health. Every muscle, every emotion, every nutrient and toxin has a frequency, and those frequencies can be seen in the voice. Snoring. It might seem harmless, something we laugh about, or gently nudge a partner over. But in truth, it's your body's way of saying, something isn't right. What starts as a little nighttime noise can often be the first warning sign of a much more serious condition: obstructive sleep apnea. During sleep, your throat muscles relax. But in some people, they relax too much, narrowing or blocking the airway. The result? The tissues vibrate that's snoring, and when the airway collapses completely, it stops your breathing. That's sleep apnea. Each time this happens, your brain detects the drop in oxygen. It partially wakes you up just enough to breathe again, but not enough to remember. This can repeat dozens to hundreds of times per night. You wake up groggy, irritated, foggy. You've technically been asleep, but you didn't rest. Your brain never reached the deep, restorative sleep it desperately needs. Snoring and sleep apnea can affect anyone. While age and weight increase the risk, other factors include relaxed throat muscles, tongue weakness, causing the tongue to fall back into the throat, blocking the airway during sleep, enlarged tonsils or soft palate, tongue positioning, jaw tension or misalignment, sinus or nasal congestion, stress-induced cortisol, hormonal imbalances, including testosterone and thyroid shifts. When these combine, they disrupt your breathing and your health. Because sleep apnea isn't just about snoring, it's a systemic stressor that silently damages your body. It's linked to high blood pressure, stroke and heart disease, diabetes and insulin resistance, obesity and metabolic syndrome, depression and memory loss, hormonal disruption, lower immunity and cognitive function. Sleep apnea chips away at your quality of life and puts your health at risk every single night. Struggling with snoring or sleep apnea? Tired of medications? Or relying on that CPAP machine every night just to breathe? You're not alone. Millions feel trapped in this nightly routine. But what if there was a natural, non-invasive alternative? Bioacoustic therapy uses the power of your voice to uncover imbalances in your body, including the frequencies tied to your airway, oxygen levels, and stress response. With over 38 years of clinical research, this technique has helped people reduce airway restrictions, rebalance hormones like cortisol and serotonin, and support the muscles involved in healthy breathing. For some, it means fewer meds. For others, freedom from the machine entirely. But what if your voice could hold the key to understanding and correcting this imbalance? What if there was a natural way to help the body restore its own breathing rhythm? Bioacoustics has the potential to become the medicine of the future, precise, non-invasive, and personalized to each individual's frequency signature. Shari Edwards. Welcome to BioAcoustic Therapy, a sound-based system backed by over 38 years of clinical research. Developed by researcher Shari Edwards, bioacoustics reveals how the voice reflects the body's internal stress. It uses voice analysis to pinpoint weak, missing, or distorted frequencies, and then delivers those tones back into the body to help restore balance. Step 1. You speak into a microphone just 30 seconds. Your voice carries micro-frequency shifts linked to your physiology. Step 2. The software maps your voice into a frequency chart showing what's overactive or depleted. For snoring and sleep apnea, we look at airway and throat muscle tone, diaphragm and vagus nerve regulation, cortisol and melatonin balance, neurotransmitters like serotonin, sinus resonance, jaw tension, and cranial nerves. Step 3. A custom tone protocol is created, tailored just for you. These tones are delivered through headphones using low-frequency sound to support vibrational balance. Think of it like tuning an instrument. Bioacoustic therapy helps your body find its natural pitch again. This therapy may help strengthen and relax airway muscles, retrain breathing patterns, reduce cortisol and airway inflammation, improve melatonin and serotonin levels, enhance oxygenation and nervous system calm, support better sleep cycle entrainment. Most clients notice changes within a few sessions and deeper improvements with consistent use. A typical bioacoustic session includes voice print collection and analysis, identification of priority stress frequencies, creation of a tailored tone protocol, daily listening sessions, 10 to 30 minutes, regular reanalysis and tone updates as your body adapts. This is not a mask for symptoms, it's a sound-based tool to restore function. No machines, no mouthpieces, no medication. Your voice is a mirror of your biology. And when we listen closely, we find the frequencies of healing. When your voice speaks, your body listens. And when sound is used with intention, healing happens in harmony. Bioacoustic therapy offers a path forward rooted in resonance, balanced by science, and guided by over 38 years of pioneering research. If the body is out of tune, illness results. If we can find the frequency that is missing or distorted, we can give the body what it needs to restore balance. Shari Edwards. We're entering a new era of medicine, an era where your voice could be your most powerful diagnostic tool and where sound becomes the prescription. This is bioacoustic medicine. A traditional medical scan like an MRI shows what your body looks like. But what if we could hear what your body is doing even before symptoms appear? Bioacoustics works like a vibrational MRI. You speak. Your voice is analyzed using advanced algorithms like FFT fast Fourier transform, and in seconds, it reveals stress patterns, muscle weakness, hormonal imbalances, and more. In traditional medicine, you're given a drug to mask symptoms. In bioacoustics, we give you a frequency based on your voice print to retrain your body. No chemicals, no side effects, just sound custom designed for your biology. Why take the same pill everyone else gets? When your body can tell us exactly what it needs, think of your body like a biological computer. Sometimes it needs an update. Bioacoustic tones act like a software patch, correcting the code that controls your muscles, hormones, and nerves. The result? Restored balance, improved function, and a return to natural rhythms. Conventional medicine often tries to control or suppress the body. Bioacoustics is different. It stimulates the body's natural healing mechanisms using sound. Where drugs mask symptoms, sound teaches the body to correct itself. Most medicine is reactive. You wait until something breaks. Bioacoustics is proactive and predictive. We can identify dysfunction before it becomes disease and give you tools to change course using your own voice. It's like having a daily check-in with your biology. As technology advances, bioacoustics keeps pace. AI is now helping us find patterns in vocal data faster than ever. Wearables track, but bioacoustics acts. It's personalized, intelligent, self-regulating. This isn't the future. It's happening now. Medicine is evolving. From pills to patterns. From surgery to sound. From silence to self-healing. Welcome to bioacoustic therapy, where your voice becomes your prescription and sound becomes your solution. Can sound really heal the body? It may seem futuristic, but the science is already here. Let's break it down. Every cell, every organ, every muscle in your body vibrates. They oscillate at specific frequencies, communicating through waves and signals. This isn't mysticism, it's biophysics. Even your brain waves, heart rhythms, and breathing patterns follow measurable frequencies. When these rhythms are disrupted or stress, inflammation, or injury, dysfunction follows. But here's the key. If imbalance happens through frequency, then healing can too. Researchers have discovered that cells actually communicate using vibratory signaling. Disrupted frequencies can interfere with cellular communication and immune responses. But when we reintroduce harmonious sound, cells begin to reorganize, align, and self-correct. improving everything from oxygen uptake to mitochondrial efficiency. Two major principles explain how sound heals. 1. Resonance. Every tissue has a natural frequency. When you apply a sound that matches that frequency, you get amplification, improved energy flow, and even cellular reorganization. 2. Entrainment. This is when weaker systems sync with stronger rhythmic input. But what does that really mean? Imagine you're at a concert, and people start clapping randomly, but slowly, everyone starts clapping in time. That's entrainment, when things naturally fall into rhythm with a stronger pattern. The same thing happens inside your body. If your breathing, heart rate, or brainwaves are out of sync, certain sound frequencies can help guide them back into a healthy rhythm. It's like giving your body a metronome, and your brain and muscles begin to follow. When applied consistently, entrainment helps restore order, improve coordination, and support healing from within. Entrainment has also been observed in cardiac rhythms, respiratory cycles, and even gastrointestinal peristalsis. Tones can restore coherence between body systems, turning disordered patterns into harmonized biological rhythms. These mechanisms aren't passive. They create real biological change. Sound frequencies also affect your autonomic nervous system, especially through the vagus nerve. The vagus is the master regulator of breathing, heart rate, digestion, sleep-wake cycles. Certain frequencies, especially in the low delta and theta range, 1-8 Hz, have been shown to stimulate vagal tone, reduce stress hormones, and improve parasympathetic healing. Vagal stimulation through low-frequency tones is now being studied as a non-invasive alternative to vagus nerve implants, which are used in epilepsy and depression treatment. With bioacoustics, we can deliver these benefits naturally through the ear canal, where the auricular branch of the vagus nerve can be stimulated by sound. This is crucial for people with sleep apnea, whose nervous systems are often stuck in hyperarousal. Modern research is catching up. Studies from the National Institutes of Health show sound can reduce inflammation and increase nitric oxide, a natural vasodilator that improves oxygen flow. EEG scans reveal that binaural beats and pulsed tones alter brain states, enhancing sleep quality and mood. Clinical results from bioacoustic research show improved airway muscle function, reduced snoring events, and better oxygen saturation just by listening to targeted frequencies. In 2016, researchers from MIT and Harvard found that exposing Alzheimer's models to 40 Hz, pulsed tones, reduced plaque buildup, and increased brain cell activity. This suggests frequency-based therapy could play a vital role in neurodegenerative conditions, not just snoring and apnea. And it all starts with understanding how sound entrains the body to heal. Sound is not just something we hear, it's something we feel and something our body responds to at every level. Healing doesn't always need a pill or a machine. Sometimes, all it takes is the right frequency.